Hi, it's Marieta. Thanks a lot for tuning in. In this video, I want to talk about how do I enter US without the COVID-19 vaccination requirement. Stick around, coming up. Alright, if you're new to my channel, welcome guys, make sure to subscribe and let's talk about today's topic. How can you enter US if you are not vaccinated, if you cannot get vaccinated, and so on. So as you know, in order for you to get the green card, you need to have the medical exam. Part of that is full vaccination for COVID-19 and also different other different vaccines. And that's with immigrants, right? So if you are applying for a green card. Now, if you are in non-immigrant visa category, you also need to show that you have full vaccination record. Now, what if you cannot get vaccination? Or what if you don't want to get vaccination for religious reasons or moral conviction? Or maybe you are from a country where vaccination is not available. So in this video, I want to talk about the exceptions. I also want to talk about the waivers. So there are essentially three different waivers. Waiver number one is the blanket waiver. In order for you to get the blanket waiver is if you're coming from a country where the vaccination is not available. So then you would be qualifying under the blanket waiver. Number two is the medical waiver. The medical waiver is for those who can show by evidence, and your doctor will actually confirm it, that if you actually get the vaccine, you might be at a very high risk of getting additional complications such as anaphylactic shock and so on. So this would require obviously medical attention, and it might be very risky for you to get the vaccine. So if you have a confirmation from a doctor that this is your case, you can receive the medical waiver. And lastly, there is individual waiver. The individual waiver is for those who can show and they are able to establish that getting vaccination is against their religious beliefs or moral conviction. Now, if you, for example, got vaccine in the past, right, and now you are suddenly claiming that it is actually against your religious beliefs, this would not be available. This would not go well, because if you got vaccines before and suddenly you are not getting vaccine because you're claiming religious reasons, this would not apply. Okay, so these are the three main waivers that you might get away with. Again, you might, but I cannot guarantee. I just don't have enough experience with this type of applicants because this is new, obviously new requirement, and many of my clients are actually E2 visa investors and they are intending and starting companies in the US. Some of them actually are against vaccination, so this would be a solution for some of you. However, like I said, I cannot guarantee, even if you get the waiver, that you will be able to actually travel and actually enter to United States. So I hope that this is helpful. If you have any experience and maybe you are someone with the waiver, please do share, comment below. And if you need to book a consultation with me one-on-one, the link to book it is below this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.